Hello everybody, this is Jeffrey. Celebrate every one of you that is in our KDHS Academy. So today I just want to tell you about MetaTrader 4. And it's very important we know how to use it because this is the tool we use in trading, the platform we use for trading the financial market. So this is it. Today is Saturday actually, so the market is not moving. The market has closed Monday to Friday, 247. Saturday, Sunday, market is closed. So these are the pair I actually advise everyone supposed to have: Euro USD, GBP USD, and USD JPY. So these are the three major pairs I want us to practice with. Let's say for instance you want to trade. Now this part is called cross A. Because you can see it now, you can use it to indicate the price of the market. Are you getting it? To know where the price of the market is. For instance, if I put it at the top of this place, it shows 1.06700. So this part is very important, especially when you want to use top pending orders to trade. I get it. So pending order is like just pending order now. When you set up a trade before time, and if the price gets to that point, the trade will be executed. Okay. Now this is crosshair. This is what you can also use crosshair to measure peep. There's the way we do it. When we get there, I'm going to show you how to use crosshair to measure peep. Peep is just the movement of the market. And that is one. Then we have this F here. This one is an indicator. Yeah, let's say for example I want to put MA moving average and let me put 10. Okay, it's actually in red. Let me add on that moving average blue. But when we get to the point where we're doing technical analysis, okay, I just change the color to blue. Let me add to it. When we get to the point where we're doing technical analysis, then I'll tell you which of them we're going to be using. So I just change the color to white because of time. So this is the movie average. So here you add indicator, movie average, Bollinger Band, parabolic star, standard deviation, MACD, so many of them, alligator, frata. These are all indicators. Are you getting it? So when we get to that point, I'll tell you which one we are using. But we are technical analysts, so we focus more on drawing our chart ourselves. Don't depend on indicators for direction. Then here, this place here, shape here is the same thing by pressing or tapping the phone. The same thing here. So this is where you have your different tools or objects to use. This is vertical line. This is parallel line with this, or you can this one we also call it trend line. That's the right word for forex traders. This parallel line here is trend line. So when you want to draw your trend in the market, this is the line you use. You getting it? Let me just draw a trend. And this line you use. You can also change the color, pressing for long, change the color, the pixel size. So this is it. So you use it to draw your trend line. This is a trend line. Then you also have there are so many. So that this is arrow. Maybe you are doing your analysis, you see the market in the corner, you can just indicate. So first by preparing ahead. Then when you click on this arrow, which is plus sign, we show you the different ones. Alright, vertical line, horizontal line. Reason for marking support and resistance. So when we get to support and resistance, when I'm going to tell people to mark your support, mark your resistance, you know the tools that you're going to use is what? Horizontal line. So we also have what we call equal distance. These are the measures we're going to be using. Equal distance is it. And if you go to, let me see the time frame I'm using. Okay, 5 minute time frame. You see I use equal distance here to actually draw this shiner. They call it shiner. Are you getting it? Yeah, this line that I've moved from here up is called parallel support line. Yeah, this one is parallel line. The one at the top here, It's called power line resistance. So for channel, if the market is following a particular trend, not really support and resistance in a ranging pattern. Are you getting it? So what else am I going to show you guys here? Let's say for now, no, but I don't want to close. Then to delete, this is what you do. You press it for long, you delete, or you come here, you delete. But I don't want to delete my. Okay. So my put. Okay, let me. I think it's two. Okay, three. Okay. I actually use the support and resistance, which is trend line to draw this thing. That's why it's showing trend line, not equal distance. But you can also use equal distance shiner, which is the same thing. Are you getting it? Good. So I don't want to close because part of my preparation for next week. Good. So that is that for the object. Here is show the currency pair, the USD and USD, GBP, USD, JPY. So this shows the currency pair. Then when you want to enter a trade, you can click on this plus. This one is USD. You can from here change the currency pair. You can go to GBP USD. Then here, because we are starters, we are not going to use 1 point. We're going to use 0.01. I'll talk more on this when we are talking about risk management. Are you getting it? So this point here by the left hand side is what we call the stop loss. Are you getting it? Here what we call take profit. Take profit. Stop loss, take profit. Is for instant execution. So let's say for example I want to enter a trade. I'm using my crosshair now for analyzing it. Using my crosshair. So let's say this is where the market currently is, and I want to sell. I can put my stop loss here. So my crosshair told me that the stop loss is 1.0653. So I'll come here 1.0653. 1.0653. Don't forget use 0.01. So but it can't work now. Can't work because the market has closed. It's supposed to say can't work now. So that is that. Whenever the market is on, I will just particularize it for you to see. Thank you very much.